What's up? I ain't even about to waste y'all time. Y'all see what's going on. But before I do anything, make sure y'all subscribe. I want to thank y'all for 1,000 subscribers. But y'all see what's going on, man. I'm about to clean this one because this one got the terrible shoestrings. I'm gonna set this one off to the side. If you want to see me clean this one, it will be an ASMR video on this one. Y'all can go check that out. It will be an ASMR video. No talking, no commentary, just cleaning. But today, we're gonna clean these shoes. I'm about to take these shoestrings out and get to work. Alright, we got that off. Now, about to get to the threads a bit more and use the medium brush. All right, cool. We're gonna let that sit right there just to let it loosen up any dirt there is. But now I'm about to do the inside to get the, you know what I'm saying, get the sock line, I think that's what it's called, to get it back nice and clean. So now, what I'm about to do is about to use the hard brush so we can scrub the bottom and get all of this mess that's on here now out of it. Look at that, man. Easy peasy. Easy peasy, man. Look at that, man. We back right. All right, cool. We got the shoe nice and clean from top to bottom. Now we can try to take care of these shoestrings and get them all back nice and white as much as possible. These shoes are definitely going in the washing machine too. Let's try to dunk these real quick. Let's see if I can do it first without the washer first. Oh, look at that water. It's all good. If I don't do it right here, I know the washing machine gonna get it. You're getting somewhere. I would hate for these to be permanently damaged. I really do want all this that dirt to come out. This how far we got when me just using my hands, and pretty much we got it all back out together. We got it all out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put these in the washing machine. Let's give it a little extra, and then we're gonna see how they turn out. But for the most part, it's looking good. So this is the before and after. As y'all can see, these shoes are very much back clean, nice and white. We got all the dirt off the bottom. Compared to this shoe, still got a lot of gunk on that toe box, on that side, everything like that. This is like the side by side. Y'all can just look. We got a lot of stuff. And make sure y'all can see. Real results here, no fake dirt, no fake anything. The bottom wasn't that bad, but you can still see that we all got that back to looking nice and dead stock. I really want to show y'all the shoestrings and the inside. Well, it had a lot of that juice and stuff. We got those shoestrings nice and white. As y'all remember, when the first go around, we just looking at these shoes, the shoestrings are really black and dirty. But a little trick to that, it didn't all come out in the washing machine. I had to, you know, throw a little bleach on there in the sink or what have you, and just scrub a little bit more of it out. So let's put in a little extra effort, but I'm glad that we got them back looking nice and clean. So that being said, make sure y'all like and subscribe, man. Like and subscribe. If you don't like and subscribe, just like and subscribe. So we're gonna close that video out. Thank y'all for coming out. Peace.
Yeah, she like my wordplay, no way to stop. Baby, someone I can dream on. Baby, someone I can lean on. No, nah. You're gonna drain the beat gone. Will you stand by me? Will you stand by me? I'm gonna keep me down. We're gonna keep me down.
Shots at the bar.
Get your head, well on. Hello, DJ, the video was on. There we go.